Shimmy Shaker, welcome to day 2 of our 30-day dance challenge where we learn 30 combinations over 30 days leading to the end of the year and a beautiful choreography. So if you didn't catch yesterday's video, please check it out. I'll link that below. And today we are coming into a new combination. We start off with a rond de jambe, a figure 8, and then 3 more figure 8s. Let's break it down. If you haven't done your rond de jambe before, it's a really beautiful way to bring the leg around. But today we're doing kind of like half a rond de jambe. So if we start with our weight on this leg, bringing this leg forward and around. So it's like you're drawing a half circle on the floor with your foot. Keep that big toe on the floor. Keep your foot nice and pointed. And try and extend that leg. Let's try the other side. Around. That's it. And around. If you're feeling like you've got this move, you can add a little hip into it as well. That's it. Good. Good. Okay, from here, we are coming from rond de jambe. Our weight comes onto this leg and we do an up 8 with this hip. So, just keeping your hands basic. This leg comes around, this hip comes out, up, in, and down. Let's try again. Around, and half an 8. So it should look like you're doing like a circle that way with that hip. Let's just try that nice hip up with this move. You want to get it nice and smooth. And remember to get the hip up, you are pushing your foot off the floor, lifting up your heel. Good. So around and 8, other way. Around and 8, other way. Around and 8. Around. Oh, I did the wrong side then. And shake it out. Good. Okay, the last part of this combination is just 3 simple downward figure 8s, also known as our Maya. So with our upward 8, we were coming out, up, in, and down. With this one, we're coming up first, out to the side, down, and then in. Up, out, down, in. Other side, up, out, down, in, and smooth it out. So when we bring this into our choreography, you'll hear it working with the melody. In the combination, we're coming around, hip up, then other side. 3, 2, 1. Let's try other way. Around and up. 3, 2, 1. Other way. Around and up. 3, 2, 1. Other way. Around and up. 3, 2, 1. So in the choreography, we're starting with this leg. We're coming around, up, down, 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 and then we're just sliding those hips to the side. Let's just try it to that side. Around and up. 3, 2, 1, and slide. Again, same side. Around and up. 3, 2, 1, and slide. One more time. Around and up. 3, 2, 1, and slide. Awesome job. So tomorrow we will be learning a new combination. Please make sure you join me every single day. We are learning a new combination, building towards our beautiful choreography. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.